Hi everyone, my name is Mehmood Sheikh and welcome back to Unix shell programming tutorial series. In today's video, we are starting discussion on one of the important concepts of Unix shell programming, and that concept is decision making and branching. So before coming to today's topic, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video or if you got some useful and valuable information from this video, then click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. Now let us start our discussion. So whenever we write any program and execute that program, normally the execution of the program gets started from the first line, and one by one each and every line gets executed until the last line. This way of execution is called as sequential execution, and in some of the programs we may require this way of executing the instructions, but in real world or in most of the cases we require other way of execution, that is decision based execution, where the programmer will decide which part of the program needs to get executed and which is not, based on certain condition. So we will be using various branching statements in our program, and what those branching statements does, that those branching statements check a condition. If the condition gets satisfied, then the block written under that condition gets executed, and if the condition didn't get satisfied, then other statements gets executed. With this technique we can control the flow of execution of program. We can execute specific part of the code and we can skip other part of the code. So this ability we can achieve with the help of decision making and branching. Okay, I hope you guys have understood. So now let us see what are the various statements comes under branching statements or decision making statements. So as you can see, these are the various statements which comes under branching statements. The first one is simple if, second one is if else, then else if ladder, then fourth one is nested if, and last is switch. With each and every of these statements we can control the flow of execution in our program. Okay, so in this video we will discuss only about this simple if statement. Okay, and in my upcoming videos we will cover all the other branching statements along with the example. So let us first discuss the syntax of simple if in Unix shell programming. So it starts with if keyword, and then you need to put some space, and then you need to open the square bracket, two open square bracket, and condition, then close both the brackets, then put semicolon, and you need to use then keyword. Next, statement X. Okay, then you need to close if by using fi, then here statement Y. Okay, so how this if condition works: if this condition gets satisfied, then both statement X and statement Y gets executed. If the condition didn't get satisfied, then statement X will not get executed, only statement Y gets executed. Okay, so I hope you guys have understood how this simple if works. Now I will consider a program, and in that program I will accept the age from the user, and I will check whether the age is greater than 18. If that condition gets satisfied, then I will be executing this block, otherwise this block. Okay, so let us first ask the user to enter the age, and that can be done using the read command. Read hyphen p space double quote, enter your age, then I will use age variable. Okay, when this program gets executed, this message gets displayed to the user, enter your age, then user will be entering some value, let us say 20. Okay, then 20 gets stored inside age. Then I will use this if, simple if statement. If, put some space, then open square bracket, two open square bracket, then I need to use this variable prefixed with dollar age, and I need to use hyphen gt command to check for the greaterness. If age is greater than 18, then close both the square bracket and put semicolon, and you need to use then. Okay, if this condition becomes true, that means suppose program has executed and user has entered 20, then 20 gets stored inside this age variable, then 20 will come here. Here I am checking whether 20 is greater than 18. Yes, condition becomes true. When the condition becomes true, the control will come inside the if to execute this statement. You are eligible to vote. Okay, so instead of this GT, you can also use greater than or equals to. Greater than or equals to. Okay, so if you use hyphen GE greater than or equals to, then if the user enters 18, for this input also it will come inside the if and execute this statement. Next, and if, and then echo exit. Okay, so according to our syntax, if this condition gets satisfied, then both of these statements gets executed. If this condition didn't get satisfied, then only this gets executed. Control will not come inside the if, it will come outside the if to execute this exit. Okay, so that's everything about simple if branching statement. I hope you guys have understood. So that's all for this video, guys. In my next video, I will be discussing the if else statement. So if you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.